Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Elska from People's Crafty Corner, and I'm here today to give you the prompts for project number 2 of our Projects of 23 challenge. So, let's see. For January, our prompts were make a cluster out of metal. So let's go ahead and open this up, find out what it is, and then we'll put it in here. Remember, the January ones are due by the 3rd of February, which is this Friday. So we're going to open these. And we're going to find out what our project is for this month. We are going to be making some piece of ephemera, whatever kind of ephemera you want, using some kind of packaging material. Okay? So that is your task for this month. Your challenge. Ephemera made out of packaging. Okay? So that can be, it can be a tag, it can be a journaling card, it can be a pocket, whatever you want. But it is ephemera, and it is going to be made out of packaging material. That's our quest for the month. And I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people so far that have turned in the January prompt. So we'll see, what we get for February. But that's it, guys. That's all I have for you. If you want more information about the Projects of 23 challenge, there's a link to the original video explaining everything in the description box below. Okay? Also, make sure that if you do participate, that you tag me and post it in the Facebook group. And there's a link to that in the description as well. Till I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.